Hello and welcome to Daily Speak English.
Lucy, I need to tell everyone something urgent before we start.
What happened, Jack? Are you okay?
Last week I had to go to the doctor and I completely froze when they asked me simple questions in English.
Oh no, what did they ask?
What brings you in today? And my mind went blank. I just pointed at my throat and said, hurt here.
That must have been so stressful, and I know thousands of our listeners have experienced the same thing.
Exactly. Going to the doctor is already scary, but doing it in English? Even scarier.
That's why today's episode is so important. We're teaching you how to speak confidently at the doctor's office in English.
From making appointments to describing symptoms to asking questions, we're covering everything.
Quick note, we're not doctors. This is English practice for real life conversations, not medical advice.
If you need medical help, please talk to a real professional. But if you need English help, you're in the right place.
So please subscribe right now, hit that like button, and let's make your next doctor's visit stress free.
Let's do this.
Okay, Jack, let's start from the very beginning. How do you make a doctor's appointment in English?
First, you need to call the clinic or doctor's office on the phone.
And that's where many people panic. What do you say when someone answers?
Keep it simple. When they answer, you say, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please."
That's perfect. Clear and polite. What happens next?
They'll probably ask, "What seems to be the problem?"
That question always makes me nervous. How should I answer?
Just give a short, simple answer. For example, "I have a sore throat," or "I've been coughing for 3 days."
What's a sore throat?
A sore throat means your throat hurts, especially when you swallow. It's very common when you're sick.
Got it. What other symptoms could I mention?
You could say, "I have a headache," or "I have a fever," or "I feel dizzy."
What does dizzy mean?
Dizzy means you feel like the room is spinning, like you might fall over. It's that unsteady feeling.
Okay, so I tell them my symptom. What's next?
They might ask, "Is it urgent?"
Urgent means it's serious and needs quick attention, right?
Exactly. If it's urgent, say, "Yes, it's urgent." If it's not, you can say, "No, but I'd like to be seen soon."
What does be seen mean?
Be seen means the doctor checks you or examines you. It's a common phrase at doctors' offices.
So, I'd like to be seen soon means I want the doctor to check me soon.
Perfect. Then they'll ask about your availability.
Availability means when you're free, when you have time.
Yes, they might say, "Are you available on Friday morning?"
And I can answer, yes, I'm available in the morning, or I'm free after 3 p.m.
Exactly. Or if you're not free, you say, "I'm not available that day. Do you have another opening?"
What's an opening?
An opening is an available time slot. Like if they say, "We have an opening at 2 p.m. on Tuesday."
That makes sense. Okay, let's practice. Pretend you're the receptionist.
Okay. "Hello, this is City Medical Clinic. How can I help you?"
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
"What seems to be the problem?"
I've had a bad cough for about 5 days.
"Is it urgent?"
No, but I'd like to be seen soon.
"Are you available this Thursday at 10 a.m.?"
Yes, I'm available. Thank you.
Perfect. That sounded so natural.
It's easier when we practice together like this.
Okay, Lucy, now you've made your appointment. What happens when you arrive at the clinic?
You walk up to the front desk, right?
Yes. When you arrive, you say, "Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m."
Should I say my name too?
Yes. You can say, "My name is Lucy Chen. I have an appointment at 10."
What happens next?
The receptionist might give you a form to fill out.
A form? What's that?
A form is a paper with questions about your personal information, like your address, phone number, and medical history.
What's medical history?
Medical history is information about your past health, like previous illnesses, surgeries, or allergies.
Allergies. That's when your body reacts badly to something, right?
Exactly, like if you're allergic to peanuts or certain medicines,
What if I don't understand the form?
you can always ask for help. Just say, "Excuse me, could you help me with this form?"
That's a relief. I always worry about filling out forms incorrectly.
After you finish the form, they'll say, "Please have a seat in the waiting room."
The waiting room is where you sit before the doctor sees you?
Exactly. And "have a seat" just means sit down.
What happens in the waiting room?
You wait. Usually people look at their phones or read magazines.
And you try not to think about why everyone else is there.
True. Eventually a nurse will call your name, Lucy Chen.
Then I follow them to the examination room?
Yes. And they might check your vital signs first.
Vital signs? What are those?
Vital signs are basic health measurements like your temperature, blood pressure, and heart rate.
Blood pressure is the pressure of blood in your body?
Exactly. The nurse might say, "I'm going to take your blood pressure."
Does it hurt?
Not at all. They just put a cuff around your arm and it squeezes gently.
That's good to know.
Okay, Lucy, now the doctor comes in. What's the first thing they usually say?
Hmm, probably, hello, how are you?
Yes, but they also commonly ask, "What brings you in today?"
That means why are you here, right?
Exactly. It's a polite, common question. How should you answer?
Should I tell them everything that's wrong?
Start with your main problem. For example, "I'm here because I've had a sore throat for 3 days."
Should I give more details?
Yes, but stay organized. Talk about duration, symptoms, and how strong they are.
Duration means how long I've had the problem.
Yes, "I've had this cough for 5 days," or "It started yesterday."
What about describing how strong the pain is?
You can say it's mild, moderate, or severe.
What does severe mean?
Severe means very serious or very strong. Like, "The pain is severe when I swallow."
What does swallow mean?
Swallow is when you move food or drink down your throat.
Got it. What if I don't know the English word for something?
Great question. You can describe it simply like "it hurts here" and point to the area.
Can I say I'm not sure how to say it in English?
Absolutely, doctors understand. Then use simple words like pain, burning, tight, itchy.
What does itchy mean?
Itchy is when you want to scratch something, like after a mosquito bite.
Okay, let's practice. You be the doctor.
Sure. "Hello, Lucy. What brings you in today?"
I've had a terrible headache for 2 days.
"Can you describe the pain? Is it sharp or dull?"
Wait, what's the difference between sharp and dull?
Sharp pain is sudden and intense, like a needle. Dull pain is more constant and achy, not as intense.
It's a dull pain, like a constant ache.
Any other symptoms? Fever, nausea?
What's nausea?
Nausea is when you feel sick to your stomach, like you might vomit.
No nausea, but I feel very tired.
Have you taken any medication?
Medication is the same as medicine, right?
Yes, medication is just a more formal word for medicine.
I took some painkillers yesterday.
Any allergies to medication?
No known allergies.
Perfect. That phrase, no known allergies, is very natural and commonly used.
Jack, what if I don't understand what the doctor says?
That's so important. You can always ask for clarification.
What does clarification mean?
Clarification means making something clear or easier to understand. You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Or could you speak more slowly?
Exactly. Don't be shy about asking. Even native speakers ask doctors to repeat things.
What are some common things doctors say that I should understand?
They might say, "I'm going to examine you."
Examine means check my body, right?
Yes, they might check your throat, ears, or listen to your breathing.
What will they say?
Things like open your mouth or say ah or take a deep breath.
Those are simple commands.
Yes. Then they might say, it looks like you have a viral infection.
What's a viral infection?
A viral infection is an illness caused by a virus, like a cold or the flu.
What about treatment? What will the doctor say?
They might say, I'm going to prescribe some medicine, or you don't need antibiotics.
What are antibiotics?
Antibiotics are strong medicines that fight bacterial infections. They don't work on viruses.
So if I have a cold, I don't need antibiotics?
Exactly. The doctor decides that.
What about taking the medicine? How do they explain that?
They'll say things like, take this twice a day.
Twice a day means 2 times each day?
Yes. Or they might say, take one tablet every 8 hours.
What's a tablet?
A tablet is a pill. Same thing.
What does with food mean?
With food or after eating means you should eat something before or when you take the medicine.
Why is that important?
Some medicines can upset your stomach if you take them on an empty stomach.
What about side effects? I always hear that word.
Side effects are unwanted effects from the medicine, like feeling sleepy or having an upset stomach.
Can I ask about side effects?
Absolutely. You can ask, are there any side effects I should know about?
What if I need more medicine later?
You ask for a refill. A refill means getting more of the same medicine again.
Like, I need a refill for my allergy medicine?
Perfect. You've got it. Lucy, let's talk about prescriptions.
A prescription is what the doctor gives you to get medicine, right?
Exactly. It's a written order for medicine. Don't say receipt. That's wrong.
So I say prescription, not receipt.
Yes. The doctor writes a prescription, and you take it to the pharmacy.
What happens at the pharmacy?
You give them the prescription and they fill it.
Fill it? What does that mean?
Fill a prescription means the pharmacy prepares your medicine and gives it to you.
How do I say that?
You can say, I'd like to fill this prescription, please.
What about dosage? I always get confused about that word.
Dosage means how much medicine you take and how often.
Can I ask about it?
Yes, you can ask, what's the dosage? Or, how much should I take?
And they'll explain it?
Yes, they might say, take one tablet 3 times a day, or take 2 capsules before bed.
This is really helpful.
Lucy, we should talk about insurance.
Oh, that word makes me nervous. What is insurance?
Insurance is health coverage that helps pay for medical costs.
What will they ask me?
They'll ask, do you have health insurance?
And I answer,
Just say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
what if I have insurance?
They'll ask for your insurance card.
A card, not a paper?
Usually it's a card, yes.
What about follow-up appointments?
Great question. A follow-up is another visit after your first appointment to check your progress.
How do I ask about it?
You can ask, do I need a follow-up appointment?
What will the doctor say?
They might say, come back in 2 weeks, or call us if it doesn't get better.
Get better means improve.
Exactly. Or they might say, gets worse. That means becomes worse.
Can I ask for a doctor's note for work?
Yes, that's very common. You say, could I get a doctor's note for work?
What's a doctor's note?
It's proof that you were sick and saw a doctor. Your employer might need it.
That's really practical information.
Lucy, let's review all the important words we learned today.
Great idea. First word, appointment.
An appointment is a scheduled meeting with a doctor. Example, I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
Second word, symptom.
A symptom is a sign you feel when you're sick. Example, a cough is a common symptom.
Third word, sore throat.
A sore throat means your throat hurts. Example, I have a sore throat and it hurts to swallow.
Fourth word, prescription.
A prescription is a doctor's written order for medicine. Example, the doctor gave me a prescription.
Fifth word, refill.
A refill means getting more of the same medicine. Example, I need a refill for my medicine.
Sixth word, insurance.
Insurance is health coverage that helps pay medical costs. Example, do you have health insurance?
Seventh word, follow-up.
A follow-up is another visit after the first one. Example, I need to schedule a follow-up appointment.
Last word, side effects.
Side effects are unwanted effects from medicine. Example, this medicine may cause side effects like drowsiness.
Jack, we covered so much today.
We really did. From making appointments to talking with doctors to getting prescriptions.
I feel so much more confident about going to the doctor now.
That's exactly what we wanted. Remember, simple English is totally okay at the doctor's office.
Now, before we finish, we have a question for you.
Here's today's question. What phrase do you want to practice for a doctor's visit in English?
Write your answer in the comments. For example, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Or, I have a sore throat and a fever.
Or, could you repeat that more slowly, please?
We read every comment, and your answers help us choose future topics.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily Speak English today.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe, like, and share it with someone who needs practical English.
Remember, asking questions is normal. Don't be afraid to ask the doctor to repeat something.
Your health is important, and clear communications helps you get better care.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.